Roadster pickups, 2003 Chevrolet SSR. Of course, a retractable hardtop. This particular one, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles of a little over 64,000. 5.3 liter, 300 horse V8 underneath the hood. Tried and true V8 engine from Chevrolet. That is paired up with 4L60E automatic transmission with overdrive, and of course all the modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let you get a good close look at this front fascia and bumper. This does have kind of the 3M paint protector in the front. You can see the faint line. That keeps you from getting all the nicks and the rock chips, so that front end looks very clean. One of the things on these two is be careful and do not lift the hood with this piece right here. If you were to purchase this vehicle or have one of these, they can get a little brittle. So lift on the metal part of the hood, FYI, for future reference. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine, check out the undersides, the interior, the bed of this truck. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the factory wheels. As you can see, running boards. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this vehicle. You can see pretty free of nicks, scratches, chips. Yes, it's been driven, so you're going to find a few imperfections here and there, but overall, truck shows very well. Ebony leather bucket seats, contrasting, I believe it was called red line. Exterior, center console with that shifter on the floor, and then of course your power locks, traction control, windows, button for the power top, also on that center console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the dual exhaust. And again, those still pictures, so you can see the underside. Check out the bed interior. uniqueclassiccars.com. Clicking the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see pretty much free of any nicks, scratches. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Switch for the power mirrors and the door panel over here. Take a look at the seat. Not much wear at all. Bolster also in good shape. Tell this truck's been cared for. Driven and enjoyed some, but also cared for. Steering wheel controls, the driver's information center, and also the stereo as far as seek and volume. Does have an AM/FM CD player. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out the exact miles. All right. Let's see it as it pops up down there. 64,781. As you can see, tack works. Gauge is over here, also working, and that was a cold start, by the way. As you can see, that temperature gauge. The stereo system obviously works. Wipers work. AC blows cold. Again, the switches for the top, traction control, windows and locks. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Not cracked, sun-baked, anything like that. All right, I'm gonna slip around to the back so you can hear this run. We'll check out the engine bay, and I'm also gonna run that top up and down for you so you can see that work. So no crazy exhaust, anything like that, just a nice deep little throaty rumble. Sounds what you'd expect from a stock SSR. It's the way it came off the showroom floor. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let's pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay, and we'll run that top up and down. There we go. Hood propped open. 5.3 liter, 300 horse. Plenty of power to make one of these move right along. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nice and tidy, what you'd expect underneath there. And it matches the rest of the truck, all taken care of and clean. Alright, I'm going to shut that up. Grab somebody to help me here a second. Let's run that top up and down. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got somebody to help me out here. We'll run the top up so you can see this work. Thank Ethan for getting to be on one of the videos. All right, we got Ethan to help us out here. Show you the top running up, and we'll probably take it back down also. Here we go. So again, retractable hardtop. So you can go from Roadster to hardtop pickup in a heartbeat. And you can see the still pictures with the top up and top down both also. So, all right, there it is locked up. And with the push of a button, we can go right back to where we were. Everything working smoothly and properly. There you go, looking for a nice 2003 Chevrolet SSR. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.